Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura N9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to remove the brew unit, the one that you see right here, completely out of the machine, deep clean it, re-lubricate it, make sure everything's moving up and down easily without having any troubles with the machine, and replace all the gaskets. This one that you see right here, this is the older one, as well as re-lubricate some of the other ones that are inside the brew unit. And yeah, that's all we did. So we also descaled manually this machine and just give it a good clean as well, especially around the grinder. There was a very big layer of oily beans and it was just not looking good. We also deep clean the funnel that comes to the pre-ground, as well as a little bit of the grinder and other parts of the machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test this machine out. We're gonna be using one of our hoses that I don't know if it's gonna be compatible with this machine, but we're using one of our hoses that we have here on Kanen, and we're gonna be doing a cappuccino. That way we will test the steamer, and as you can see, nice foam coming out of the machine. Really good. I'm gonna stop it right here as my cup is not that big, and let me put the other tiny little one, as I should pick up a bigger cup to do the cappuccino. But as you saw, that was siphoning really good, really good, and making really good foam coming out of that, or the frother. And as you can see, nice quantity of coffee, really good shot coming out of the machine as well. Excellent crema forming at the top, looking great. Hot water of the machine as well, looking perfectly fine. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working excellent. And there you have it, Jura N9 working once again. So thank you so much for the Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.